Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX, the outboard version, which has become super popular. We're going through these as quick as we can get them in. If you like this boat, come take a look, come take a test ride right away, because I guarantee this boat isn't going to be around long. This one's got all the right options on it too, starting in the back with the white 300 horsepower Mercuries. If you haven't heard how quiet these are, it's amazing. They're the quietest outboards on the market today as far as I'm concerned. This has got the power sure shade top coming out of the hard top. If you look around in the cockpit here at the amount of seating, this boat is great for entertaining. Plus you've got a nice big aft facing seat right in front of the outboards back there. Super comfortable as well. Great place for sunning. We've got a grill on the starboard side here. This boat is equipped with the joystick piloting system on it, so it's going to be super easy to drive. It's got the digital dash, twin screens, the big Simrad screens on the dash, a real marine head on this, huge bow seating area, and it rides like a dream. Call me and we'll put it in the water. Let's take a test ride today. 904-338-9970. My name is Grant.